Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh. Deep docks. Oh. Oi. Oh. He's throwing fire at me. He's using napalm! Ah! Hello. Child wielding needle. What do you make of this huge structure? The scale of it all impresses me. If it is merely an outpost of the citadel above, then their capital must be grand beyond measure. Yokalla. Perhaps so. They must have prized indeed the work done here. To build something so vast in such a dangerous place. I want the map, please. Oh yeah, I can equip the compass. Wait. Yay, I can finally see where I'm going. I don't have enough money. Oh, it's for unlocking fast travel. But I'm broke. Wait, I'm not broke. I got those items. These. Oh, I got enough. Yes. Is that the Silksong? Hey there! Hey! Bone bottom. Yeehaw! Hello. Beast! Beast! Horrible beast! Get pranked, lol. Hey, he's done. Bone bottom repairs. A lot of repairs need to be done around here, but I need more materials. All I wish for some shell shards, so I can get to work. Not asking too much, am I? Of course not. Here. My inventory is full anyway. Those mad fighting pilgrims who haunt the Great Path. We could make use of their shells here in Bone Bottom, and felling them would surely be a mercy. Okay. What do I need to do? Okay, I just need to kill pilgrims. Oh, look at that! We've kinda donated all those shell shards just like I wished for. I can scarcely believe it. Those shards are valuable, right? Brilliant for crafting and fixing, very versatile. More than that though, it was a warm thing you did. The sort of kindness you don't see much in this weary place. Was this kindness? I must take care to learn of this land and claim what advantage I can get from it. Answering requests like yours can often fit those ends. Oh, it's like that, is it? Well, even still. The help's well appreciated, miss. Best of luck in your travels, and may every wish of yours be granted. Let's get some money. What can I buy from your shop? Sure. Let's get this thing. And the graft. I'll keep this one until my inventory is full again, then I'll equip this one. Okay, back to where I was. Ah, she left. Era! Let's go. Oh! Shit! Oh no. Oh, it's not as bad. Okay, next round. I have never encountered you. Ow! over. And done. Can I ring the bell? What do we have over here? I still want to find that bench that was promised. Oh, there it is. Wait, what did I just run past? No, who are you? Oh, small pointy book. Why do you bother us at our work? The sound of your craft called me to investigate. What is your duty here? Are you a smith of some kind? A smith? Hardly so crude. We are Forge daughter. How can a pointy book not tell? Ours is the ancient line and honored role. These docks and lands around are fortunate to have our skill. If you are as talented as you suggest, would you lend me your aid? I've lacked for my usual tools and I suspect you could craft fine replacements. Blades and traps, no doubt. No doubt, we know your type. Of sorts, but maybe strange to this land. Some would likely prove a fine challenge for your craft. Then we'll construct them. But you'll provide the materials and compensation for our time. Oh. Ooh. If you need something, talk to my boss. I'm busy. Okay. I expected this workshop too would contain only competitive types. You seem composed, Forge daughter. You've met the workers, they're all wound up. They still work at their task. In a simple way, but they're useless for conversation. It's only ourselves and young Bellow with any sense left. The behavior of your fellow workers, I've seen from similar agitation upon the roads. These docks are not alone in the strangeness of their occupants. It is odd behavior, to be sure, but not for Bellow and us to know. Ours is busy work and we keep it to ourselves. Whatever the goings on of the world outside, no bother to us, as long as our craft can continue. Keep well, Forge daughter. I shall return if I require your aid. Yes or no, either is fine by us, as long as the craft continues. Oh! He's spewing lava! Oh! Ow! Crazy guy. What? Ow! Leave me alone. What do we have here? Ah. Can't get there. I need to get that one tool. Ow! Okay. I see how it is. Just have to go over here. Hello? How sad. A little spider has fallen from its cage. So lost, so weak. Poor little morsel. I can save you, little spider. All the trouble you'd face above, all the suffering, it's so simple. I'll just cure you here and now. Pluck that flickering life right out of you.
That's fine.
Your threats are worthless, child. If you are my foe, stay your voice and raise your blade. Delicious, I like you already. Ow! This music is a banger! Oh fuck! Why did you not do? What? Got her. Oh, is she the recurring enemy? Like... Lace. Oh, got achievement that I defeated Lace. Don't know who that is. Is she going to be the recurring boss? Like Hornet was in Hollow Knight? And there goes the bell again. Bong, 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 bong. I think it's gonna lead to a new area. Yeah. I'm not done here yet. I wanna check the stuff up here. Ow! No! Oh! Oh! No. Don't know if I want to go all the way back. Maybe I should just use the fast travel thing there. Don't know how hard it is to get through this area. I hate these things. Did he just kill himself again? Era! On to the deep docks. Forwards, my noble steed. Now I just need to check those things up there and then I have cleared everything that I can see on my map. Well, what is this area? What can I find here? These are not deep docks enemies. These are enemies from the Marrow. There's an ant enemy. Get squished, idiot. Oh! Now I'm back here. Okay. Guess I'm gonna have to go to the new area. Or I can try to cross that lava lake. Hello. Oh, I can buy anything I want. I want this one. Wait, no, this is the locked door. Where was the lava lake then? Oh! It's that room down there. And what is that? Something. Spool fragment. One half of the artifact left behind by the weavers. Designed to collect and hold silk. Oh! My inventory. My silk meter gets extended if I collect another one of these. Ow! Well, then it was worth going here. Okay. Ow! I don't think I should kill those. Oh no! Oh! They were innocent. Far fields. The Garfields. Oh, they're resting. Let's go kill them. Woo! Damn, this guy's got hands! Ow, okay, I'm leaving! Ah! I'm scared. Stop throwing shit! Annoying. Fuck. No! He sniped me. I like that they changed the dash, that they also make you sprint, because now that will make speedrunning the game very interesting. Haha! One fell into the lava. Where's your friend now, huh? Secrets! Hello, people from the secret land. Oh fuck! Let me out! Let me out! No! Screw you! You don't trap me and get away with it. Oh, I just need to free one more flea. Then I'm done with that side quest. Oh. Hi. Oh, he's still here. Okay. Now he's dead. Bench! Pilgrim. You who have held tight to faith have been carried far. This station shall offer brief rest to those devout. Hello. Of course. Who are you? Mort. Come to rest your weary body? The climb is agonizing. Even the devout must mind their limits. I'm impressed to find any without firm claw upon a weapon that could ascend so far. Indeed, we're lucky to have made it here. Luckier than many others. Or perhaps the difference between lucky and unlucky is merely faith. Now while we rest, shall we make trade? If you have rosaries, I will take them gladly. Who are you? A weary pilgrim. Oh, sister, my aching shell's close to breaking. My voice weakens, I can hardly sing a word. Fear the path ahead will be no easier for you, ma'am. If you cannot abandon your pilgrimage, you should at least rest well before continuing. But impurities stalk our every step, sister. If we rest too long, they shall catch us. So it is sung. What the fuck? Whoa. I don't like what's inside there. Ah. Oh, I can't get back up here. Damn it. Well, I'll probably unlock the ability to float up wind streams in this area. Ah, fell. Oh, I'm back here again. Oh, not these guys! No! Oh, fuck off. Where is Chakra in this area? Oh, there's Chakra's over here. Yeah, there she is! Boshanka. These scorched fields offer many paths and much combat. To leap from vantage upon the red shells or to meet them face front with rings ready. These are decisions I live for. I am much surprised that those soft pilgrims ever safely climbed this scorched and savage place. Yes, finally the map! Now I know where I'm going. Oh, this is a boss fight. I think. Or not. Who lives here? Oh, hi! Seamstress. Well, aren't you a sight? No, don't tell me. You're as odd as they come. Your poise, your form. Are you hunted? Pursued? The Citadel would see a fine prize in you. It is as you say, madam. Veiled bugs brought me to your land. I seek them now for answers. Here's two. These are bleak times, but a powerful stray like you could certainly cause some change. Well then, I've no love for that holy caste, and I do worry for this kingdom's ailing state. If you're seeking to settle a score, perhaps I can lend some aid. If you're planning to ascend from these low fields, you'll be needing some lift, and I'm just a bug to help. Head for the caves beyond my home. The bugs within produce a marvelous spine, flexible yet strong. Collect their spines, return to me, and I'll soon have your old cloak transformed into something far more buoyant. Yes. Smart choice. Get out there and gather those spines. And best be quick about it. It's nice to have the company. If you hang around too long, those citadel bugs will turn their gaze on me as well. Hunt hokers in far fields and collect spine cores. What are hokers? These hokers? I have not collected one. Okay, that's not a hoker. Wait, do I have a bestiary or something like you had in Hollow Knight? Okay, these guys I need to kill. That's a pilgrim. Okay, what are hookers? Is that a hooker? Oh, there's a hooker. Ow! They shoot things. Oh! You need to break those things. Okay, now I get it. Yeah, it's done. Now to finally gain the ability to travel upstream. Hello. Well then, I can tell by the rattling from within your cloak, your hunt was successful. If you kindly pass over the spines, I can get to work. Yes, I will give the spine course. Perfect. This should be more than enough. Wait there just a moment and we'll soon have you soaring up and away from these lowlands. Oh. The Drifter's Cloak. Holds jump in air. Flare the cloak to ride strong winds or glide gracefully. Oh, she's naked! Oh. This is fine work, Seamstress. Your modifications will aid me greatly. You're quite welcome, dear. I have a rare opportunity to practice such intricate sewing, and a warrior sword like you will be able to properly appreciate my additions. Float away now, stray one. And do try not to die. I'd rather not have my hard work go to waste. Just a moment, dear, before you scurry off. I'm loath to spoil the surprise, but curiosity begs me to ask. Do you know why they pursue you, those citadel bugs? No certainty. I've got a strong suspicion. They hunt me for my nature, for the silk produced within my shell. Aha! Truth, no doubt. In Farloom, yours is a rare skill, prized beyond measure. To channel one's soul within a thread. Soul and silk, inseparably linked. It is a skill almost lost from Farloom. Those old weavers shared it, but they're long dead now. There's another life in this kingdom that shares my nature, or some part of it. I've seen silk similar to my own. It snares the shells of those upon the roads. I've seen it wrap them, possess them whole. There's a will within that thread. One that seems to come from somewhere above us. The Citadel. Good sharp sight you've got. That Citadel. All roads towards, and all answers waiting. And a long climb up there, my dear. Now, it's time you get going. Your style and your silk sure are fine. But stay too long, and you'll only be trouble for me. It looks so stupid. Yeah, no, I think I'm gonna end stream right here. It's already late and I gotta go to work tomorrow.